Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video I go on a spring plein air. I was very lucky with the weather. It was sunny and clear, and I was lucky to meet a squirrel again. According to the comments, squirrels have become a part of my channel. It's a time when the snow hasn't melted yet, but it's warmer and sunnier. So I think I can already start going to plein airs without fear of getting too cold. I already want to paint outside when it's so beautiful and more or less warm. Today I decided to draw a little sketch of a tree. I really liked this pine tree. It stood out from the rest of the trees and was very nicely illuminated. I chose all pastels for painting. It's great for quick sketches. You can quickly draw a subject of interest. In this video I draw with Mungyo Gallery Soft Oil Pastel. I'll draw how it goes on the paper softly and layers well. It was already the afternoon, so the sun was sinking quickly to the horizon. Because of this, the light was changing rather quickly, but I tried to guess the state. At the end we will see if it worked or not. I start with the shadows by marking them with different shades, and I add a warmer shade on the illuminated parts. Next I use a lighter color to indicate the most illuminated areas. The next thing I do is add in branches using different shades. I also draw a trunk. And I go back to the sunset crown of the tree. The tree immediately takes on a different appearance. Now I'm adding a background. I do in this sequence because the sky in this weather was generally static, while the illumination of the tree was changing. So the first thing I had to decide was the image of a pine tree. If it had been white paper, maybe drawing a background wouldn't have been necessary. But in this situation I got the tree drag on its own. That's why I needed a background to make it expressive. You can see how the tree stands out against the sky. It immediately takes on a different appearance. After introducing the sky, I go back to working out some of the shadow areas and working with the last nuances in my sketch. You can see the result of my plein air. What do you think of this sketch? In the meantime, the sun had completely set and it was even getting colder. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you had fun to draw with me. I look forward to your comments and likes. See you!